Hello guys, welcome to FX View again with this review. So today's broker is gonna be etrade, as a broker founded in 1982 as one of the first online brokerage in the United States. etrade understands what investors need to succeed in the market. etrade highlights include $0 trades, two excellent mobile apps, and the Power etrade platform, which is great for option trading. etrade has been held back by higher than average commissions for the last decade. This changed in October 2019 when etrade joined a majority of brokers in cutting equity and per leg options commissions to $0. etrade offers three computer-based platforms and two full-featured mobile apps that will appeal to a range of investing style and interest. Its flagship web platform at etrade.com has been remodeled to be easier to navigate. Options tools they acquired and integrated into the Power etrade platform after purchasing former rival Options House have given them some top-notch options tools. etrade Pro is a downloadable platform for frequent traders, offers streaming real-time data and excellent charting tools. Aside from this etrade broker review, we're going to see the core portfolio of this robo-advisor service of this broker. So between the pros of this broker is the mobile apps are extremely well laid out, easy to use, and are among the most comprehensive and extensive app we tested. There are two mobile apps available: regular etrade and the Power etrade app. Also, paper trading capabilities are becoming harder to find, but etrade Pro's desktop platform is being used extensively to test strategies and capabilities, so the paper trading site uses delayed data so you won't think you are placing a real trade. etrade executives report that the trading simulator is being used extensively, with approximately 500,000 fake trades being placed per year. For those with a chunk of change that they want to invest quickly, etrade's pre-built portfolio offers a fast track of the market. You can choose from three different risk levels: conservative, moderate, and aggressive, made up of ETFs, and the minimum of fund is 2,500 minimum, or mutual funds with a $500 minimum. There are no fees beyond the fund management costs. And for the cons, etrade is hanging on their tiered commission schedule for option trades, charging $0.65 per contract for less frequent traders and $0.5 for those who place more than 13 option trades per quarter. Investors who would like direct access to international markets or to trade foreign currencies will be better served elsewhere, so you can sell or see all of your etrade accounts when you log in. You cannot consolidate your external account to form complete picture of your net worth. Syncing of external account is feature that many of etrade direct competitors offers. So bottom line, with the acquisition of TD Ameritrade by Charles Schwab looming, etrade is positioning itself as a nimble yet full-functioned player in the online brokerage space. The integration of the option house technology provides etrade with a major upgrade to its options analysis and trading capabilities in the Power etrade platform, maintaining etrade's edge as one of the top trading platforms, and the website platform continues to be streamlined and modernized, and we expect more of that going forward. So etrade is great for option analysis and trading, and for mobile app users who want analytical power. That being said, guys, we're coming to the end of this video, and I'm gonna see you on another review with another brokerage. Comment below what you think of this broker and check their website and learn more about it. Thank you.